planning on taking the S10 racing here again. Did some work to it. Kind of messing around with carburetors on it. The Edelbrock would not take off from dead stop. It would just fall flat on its face. That Holly 850 double pumper I was messing around with and having the same problems. Couldn't get rid of that stumble. So I went and got my Predator carb put on it, and guess what? It has no stumble no more. So it should be able to take off better now. Hopefully get some better times. Other than that, didn't really do too much to it. Except for trying to get rid of the pinging. It was pinging pretty good. I was just running some 91 octane pump gas in it. But who knows if it was actually 91 octane. You really don't know what you're getting out of the pump. It had bad pinging. So I went and got a little bit of race fuel and just dumped some in it. Kind of went a 50-50 mixture and it got rid of the pinging. So. Anyways, I was going to mount a GoPro inside and get a little bit of a view of racing, better than last time. I don't know if I got anybody that can film this time either, or wants to film, so usually I do all that. Anyways, I'm going to try to mount a GoPro in it. Actually, the best place it works is on the carburetor stud. It's a GoPro, it's a Hero 3. A friend of mine actually found that at the junkyard in the car. It seems to be working. So. Like I say, it's got this deal on the bottom. You can screw it on. It screws on the carburetor stud real good up there, but it'll probably vibrate like mad. I'm going to try to mount it inside somewhere. Not sure where, but I'll figure out something. You also put my phone in there too. At least get a little bit of footage. How even I am on here, but might be a skosh to the passenger side, but it'll work. I ain't got far to go. made it to the track. You can tell it's late in here. It's only like 6:30 and it's getting dark already. We'll go in here. Well, I made it in the track. Looks like some people are racing. There's a few cars here. Need to fill out my card. This time I actually brought a pen, so. But there ain't as many people in line as last time. First pass, we'll see what happens. If I remember to turn on the GoPro, see if it actually works. Well, we're racing Frankie first pass, see what happens. Apparently there's something on the track up there. Who knows how long he'll be sitting here. Frankie in front of me. This is the third pass, and I messed with the carburetor a little bit. Maybe it'll help it out or make it worse. It's still not right. I lost a mile an hour, so see what we get. Well, we had a wreck. Like a 40 Ford.
We're probably afraid to do that.
Seen him over here going, there's smoke flying. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, that was cool. I seen the whole thing.
Well, after sitting and waiting for an hour and a half to clean up that wreck that 40 Ford did, finally going back to racing. Getting ready to go back racing for the third time. Of course, it's dark out. It's only like, I don't know, 6 o'clock yet and it's dark already, but this is going to be the last race of the year. Hopefully it'll do a little bit better. I did a few things as a suspension. We'll see. Still just trying to figure it out. So. Well, first pass, third time. There's the Monza man there. A lot of people here today. Looks like we're going to race some Mustangs. We'll see what happens if I get beat. Back from racing last night. Wasn't doing too good at the start, but towards the end there, the track started getting a little better. It's kind of messing around with the carburetor too. End up with, I think, 15 passes. Did finally get some 7.5s after everyone left at the track, and it was just me and a couple other people racing. I think I got like 5 or 6 750s. So that ain't too bad for just kind of getting the vehicle going, I guess. Still need some stuff I gotta figure out on it. Slicks on it ain't the greatest. It's pretty old, but they're getting where they're wearing all the way across. If you look, you can see weather crack. Yeah, slicks are pretty old. You know what they're from? Might be from the 80s. What else? Seems like everything is working pretty good on it. One thing that kind of pissed me off is I ordered some batteries for that GoPro, and I ordered them on Sunday, and they were supposed to be here on Thursday, and the person that I bought them from didn't even ship them out till Thursday, so I never got a chance to use my GoPro that I had duct taped in there. Or at least again, I used it last time I went racing. I don't know. I was working pretty good. Need to pick up about 2/10 out of it, 730, 720, somewhere in that area. I'd be happy with it. But I figured it should run. Ain't quite there yet. Need to figure out some more stuff. And I'll show the time slips here.